Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see by the title, I'm going to be doing a new inventory business type thing. So yeah, before we get into the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So like I said, inventory slash just like a mini little update on my business. So first, I got some stuff in the mail. Not stuff, I got something in the mail. So that means I'll be restocking my lip glosses as soon as possible. Y'all see this? Look at that. And I think these are 10 milliliter. This is my original tubes, and these are the new tubes. I would take it out to give you like a better view, but I don't have my gloves on at the moment. So we're gonna just use this as an example. I will no longer be using these. I'll be using these now. So better for you guys. I do want to say something that I have not posted yet or told anyone yet, but some new bangles will be coming very, very soon. So stay tuned. But today I just dropped some new items. I'm going to be using these as my examples. So I have some cute little hair clips in stock. Oh my god, it's so bright, honey. Of course, I can't use it because my natural hair is not here right now, as you all can see. But this one says Hope. It's so bright. Oh my god. I have some stuff on the screen, you know, close-up action footage. Let's use this. No, we also have Girl, and lastly we have Love. I also dropped some lashes because I know some of y'all are like, girl, how you gonna sell lip gloss and bangles and hair clips with no lashes? You know, lashes is like the finishing touch. Like, even though sometimes I don't wear lashes, but like sometimes I do. It just depends on my mood, I guess. But like, y'all better snatch them up really quickly. But guys, that is really all I wanted to do for this video. Just kind of showing you what I have new out there, and also you know, telling you guys that some things are going to be restocked, as in my Simple But Cute clear gloss and Sitting Pretty. And also Dior and Blueberry Faygo has a lot more in stock than those, but those are my main focus for these tubes right now. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned for more. There will be more. And yeah, bye. Ain't nothing with a chick.